the right time. A local man came up with the idea after his loved ones got sick from skipping doses. Now national retailers are offering his high-tech invention. Meet EllieGrid. It's a new electronic system and app that takes organizing pills to a whole new level.
We wanted a name that didn't sound like a medical device. We wanted it to be your friend Ellie, not your doctor med signals. Elephants have good memory. We remind you to take your medicine. Our little logo is an elephant, so Ellie is kind of a short for elephant. And we eventually thought it'd be cool to be able to talk to, hey Ellie, how many pills do I have left? So it's more personable, more of a friend than a doctor.
Abe Matamoros from Houston came up with this idea to help save others with and for his friend Regina.
She fainted out of nowhere, and we were luckily able to catch her before she hit the ground. We took her straight to the hospital, and after a couple of hours, we found out that she had gotten sick because she hadn't taken her medications as prescribed. And she told us it was because she used those pill boxes. You've probably seen them that say like Sunday through Saturday on the top with the time periods on the side. And they take so long to organize every week because she has to individually sort each pill into the right compartment that sometimes she didn't do it. And when her pills weren't organized and it was time to take her medicine, she sometimes wouldn't take them.
Then something similar happened to his grandfather.
I went to go visit him, and she was lying in bed, unable to talk, unable to communicate, and unable to move, even though I had just seen him 3 days before and he was doing fine. Same thing happened with him. He didn't have his pills organized, so then when it was time to take his medicines, he didn't take it, and then he felt worse. So then when you feel worse, you're much less likely to organize it, and it just snowballs.
Matamoros says he wanted to provide a smart pill box that would be considered a fun health accessory versus a medical device that might come with a stigma, plus make it a lovable brand.
So I have an EllieGrid here, and instead of each compartment contains one type of medicine. So you're not individually sorting pills. You just pour all of your vitamin D into this one compartment, all of your B12 into this compartment, whatever you have, so that whenever it's time to refill, you just pour it in. Now it takes my friend Regina 30 seconds to organize instead of 30 minutes. And then to set it up, essentially you have an app like this. You press the compartment on the app, and then that compartment lights up on the device. So you know exactly which one you're talking about. You put in the name of the medicine, what times you have to take it, then that's it. Whenever it's time to take it, the device will ring. You actually don't need the phone nearby once it's set up. The device will ring. You'll also receive a notification on your phone that actually comes with a fun fact or a fun riddle, just to give people something to look forward to. And it has sensors on the device that can tell if you took your medicines or not. So if you miss your medicine, caregiver can be notified. That can be mom or dad or children.
You can also give the device permission to notify a healthcare worker if you or a loved one is not compliant with the medications, so that the entire support team can be included in medication management. Matamoros says the latest data shows EllieGrid can save lives.
Right now, the way pharmacies or healthcare providers know whether or not the person took their medicine is if they haven't ordered a refill in 30 days or 60 days. My grandfather got sick after 2 days. And this is the biggest reason people go back to the hospital. It's a huge problem. If we can catch that earlier, we can intervene earlier. And as a result, prevent them from getting sick, prevent them from dying, and prevent them from being rehospitalized.
EllieGrid is available now on their website and at Amazon. It will be available at CVS stores in just 3 weeks. I'll make sure to get a link to all of that for you at fox26houston.com. Right now, let's find out about that heat wave and what's going on in the tropics. A lot